All right, so today we're looking at the new Splitfire 1165. Now, it's not the first time we've built a vertical machine. Probably 10 years ago in that area, we designed and built some vertical machines, offered it to dealers in North America, and there was pretty much zero interest. So we scrubbed it, didn't put it into production. But times have changed. Vertical machines in North America kind of have grown in popularity, and so that's what we're offering here. Now, the old 1165 is out of production, and this will be replacing it, and uses similar storage space, I guess you could say, but a little bit easier to use, more productive. And so this is just a quick overview video. We'll do a much more in-depth video a couple weeks from now. We will be offering a hydraulic lifter, pretty awesome option, and it has a regular operational mode, but you can flip it up into a stow mode as well too, so great for storage. Operated via this handle in conjunction with the splitting handle. It'll have an optional side table. Now this is a really quick and easy side table. Comes up, flips down, and you can put this on both sides. If you don't want a hydraulic lifter, this can go on the left and right side, or you could get it without either. The machine will have 3 power options. It'll have the standard Loncin gas engine, the optional Honda GX200 upgrade, and a 115-volt electric motor option as well. All right, and on the tow side of things, we have a retractable hitch. So retract it when you're storing it, and when you're towing it, it gets pulled out. We have some stands that flip up into a tow position, keeps it away from rocks or mounds of dirt when you're towing it around. And the tires and axles are a good heavy-duty setup, so you'll never have problems with that for your off-road use. And the 1165 here has got a 3.5-second cycle time, 20-inch stroke. So to start, we're just going to run at half throttle, nice and easy, let the machine warm up a bit. Log lifter function is super easy. Log lifter up, you push the handle up, and all you do is you push this handle up as well. And if you want the log lifter down, down it goes. So it's a real intuitive, easy system to use. So you gotta think, for me, I'm 6'1". This is a really comfortable working height. I can do this all day long. And just like getting a 2265 or a 3265 with a 4-inch lift, I can stand straight all day long. So there you got the Splitfire 1165. Now, if you're splitting like a small to medium amount of wood, you want a quick cycle time, compact storage space, this will be like what you're looking for. You know, if you got more questions about specs or you want more details, see more at split-fire.com. Of course, go to our YouTube channel, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe, and leave us a comment. We love those comments. So appreciate your time. Have a great rest of your day.